Imagine clocking in for work with just the tip of your finger. No message sheets, no excuses. Well, today I bring to you the ZKTeco K40 Pro device, making time and attendance management more easier, faster, and reliable. Inside this box, we have the K40 Pro device, a power adapter, mounting kit, and of course, Ethernet cable. But not to worry, I'll give you the easy breakdown. So we are going to be talking about the capacity of this device, which uses two verification, which are fingerprint and card. It has a card capacity of 3000 and also a fingerprint capacity of 3000. A total record capacity for this device is 200,000. It's verified fingerprint in less than 0.5 seconds. It has a 2.8 inches LED display. It uses a LAN port and also a Wi-Fi. In addition, it has a USB for communication. This K40 Pro works with BowTime 8.0 and BowTime NG to achieve time management, scheduling of shifts, payroll, and so many more. It is affordable, fast, and keep everyone honest with no excuses. If you're ready to take the time attendance management to the next level, K40 Pro is the best device for you. Click the link below to get yours now.